What's up, my dads? Ballad songs, they exist. We did receive this from Squid for free. And of course, they had to just butter up my bodacious fucking biscuits and make it the largest penis, to make it black and red. Black and red is the fucking worst. It's so bad. I hate black and red ballad songs. I'm a prostitute. The biggest thing they addressed in terms of the build is that the blade is now hardened. That really fucking hurt. Wow, I really went for that. That really fucking hurt. I really went for that bit. Wow, that.
You need ice.
I'm okay. This is what happens when you give me control. So as a whole, I think the Trident V2 looks great. My only gripe, I'd say, is a personal one, in that I found that I prefer a more full-size ballad song versus something slightly smaller, like the Triton is. So I did what I do with all of my other ballad songs. I just, you whip it out, and then you squeeze the handles, and you tighten, and you bada bing, bada boom.
Oh, what's up, guys, and welcome to my section of the video. This thing is, holy shit, I am a destructive force of nature. So, of course, all of these improvements are welcomed and well-deserved for a Squid product like this. Fucking this. But how does it flip?
Yeah?
Ooh. Well, it flips pretty... Ow, it flips... Jesus Christ. Well, it flips pretty good, actually. The added lines across the handles really do help with grip throughout most tricks. Chaplains on this thing are nice and comfy, and I can do them for an extended period of time without feeling like everything is going to end horribly one day. I feel threatened, I feel threatened, I feel threatened, I feel threatened.